It's a 2014 Ford Explorer, aptly named, handsomely appointed. When people talk about the beautiful scenery, they'll be talking about this Explorer too. A great vehicle is comprised of great features like these: external memory control, power heated mirrors, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, configurable instrument gauges, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, twin turbo V6 engine, aluminum wheels, sport suspension, and automatic transmission. Ford is America's best-selling vehicle brand. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Whether you're buying today or just shopping at Metropolitan Ford, you can expect to experience something truly unique. Call or stop in today. We're conveniently located near 494 and Highway 5 in Eden Prairie.